my name is Cindy Cisneros. I'm a certified creativity coach, and you have found the short introductory video that goes with a longer full tutorial on choosing products for your art business. So if this overview speaks to you, then bounce on over to the full tutorial, and keep in mind that the full tutorial goes with my business basics suite of courses that are free for artists to help you with everything from planning to marketing to selling in your art business. So with no further ado, in this planning your products tutorial, it's going to go with your business planning information, and it's going to plug into the work you've already done in your art business to think about who your target audience is, what you're going to be doing in terms of your business plan, and help you think about specific things you want to do with your products, how to kind of test and put those out into the world, evaluate and explore options, and choose themes that you want to really speak to your audience with your work, so that while you can certainly be regularly developing and testing and launching new things, you've got some go-to products that you can speak about in your marketing and in your sales and launch in a way that people will want to buy them. So, and this is a really important thing in terms of consistency in the way that you put them out into the world, to think about it in a very deliberate way in the very beginning when you're planning your business. So if this is something that you think might help you, bounce on over to the full tutorial.